Here we got a vintage Holmes Air 12-inch oscillating table fan from approximately the mid-80s. This was a trash find from last summer. And like the Aaron's 12-inch oscillating table fan, this was found in the sad condition. Both the motor cover and the base were actually brittle. And but I was glad it was not to a certain extent like the other one. So I scraped it off and repainted it in a pink color, which actually looks more fitting with this shade of brown. And there are a little bit of imperfections right here, but it's not very noticeable because of the light shade of pink it has. Well, this one is actually one of the well-built fans, but it might also be one of the cheaper models of the time. This one does use oil ports on both sides of the bearings, and that's what was good about this fan. But it runs like a high velocity fan. It doesn't run like an average fan, like let's say like that one over there. Since like that one is currently on low speed, but it doesn't run as fast as this one on low. So we're gonna turn it on right now. You'll see what I mean. So you can already hear it. It's running faster than the Panasonic. And I think that is because of the lightweight blade it has. This motor, I actually did swap it with the Panasonic blade, and it ran like a normal fan. It did not run excessively fast. So this motor was actually meant for heavier blades. And this one is already running like a high and a slower fan. Medium is also like barely any difference. You can already hear that it's running faster. Little to no difference in speed. But it is blowing a good amount of air. And we'll go to high speed. And this is really fast. That is high velocity. But the airflow is actually decent. Now we'll engage the oscillations. And you will see that it's fast paced compared to other fans. And it could either be because of the speed the blade is running at, or it could also be because like it has one of those gears that have larger grooves. Because if it was the small grooves, this thing would not be oscillating at this rate. So yeah, we'll go back to medium. It's actually a good air mover, considering that. And for how long it lasted, this was actually well built. It would have been better if I saw what it would look like in brand new condition if this was not placed in the sun, but at least I'm glad to have restored its shape. Now we'll go back to medium, to low. But yeah, the low is a bit too fast. It's like a medium on other average fans. And finally, we'll disengage the oscillations. And off. That's a quite light blade set considering the weight of the blades. So, yeah. And that will do it for this video of the vintage Holmes Air 12-inch oscillating table fan. Thank you for watching.